Hello astronomers! A perfect focus is essential to get the most out of your telescope. That's why here at PrimaLuceLab, to make focusing easier and more accurate for any telescope, we developed a complete line of motorized focusing systems. Sesto Senso 3 is our focusing motor, and Esatto is our complete robotic focuser. So which one should you choose for your telescope? Let's find out! Both the Sesto Senso 3 and Esatto are robotic focusing systems designed to bring very high precision to amateur and research telescopes. They share the same advanced control electronics, including USB-C connection, Wi-Fi connectivity, temperature probe port, dimmable LEDs, and a port to connect our Arco robotic rotator. But there's one important difference. Sesto Senso 3 is a focusing motor that uses your telescope existing focuser, while Esatto is a complete robotic focuser that entirely replaces your telescope stock focuser. So the choice between them depends on the type of telescope and focuser you have, and on the kind of application you want to achieve. Usually we recommend the Sesto Senso 3 for telescopes that already have a high-quality focuser, such as many refractors or Newtonians equipped with smooth, precise dual-speed focusers. You simply install Sesto Senso 3 on the fine focus shaft, and it transforms your manual focuser into a motorized one, allowing remote or even automated focusing. Thanks to the integrated encoder, with the Sesto Senso 3 powered on, you can move the focuser knob manually, without losing calibration. This makes the Sesto Senso 3 perfect if you use your telescope both for visual observation and astrophotography. You can save focus positions for eyepieces and cameras using the virtual handpad, and instantly recall them every time you switch equipment. For Schmidt-Cassegrains or similar telescopes with internal focusers, we designed the Sesto Senso 3 SC, a special version made to connect directly to this type of telescopes. It lets you control the focusing knob remotely, and still operate it manually if you prefer. Sesto Senso 3 is a great solution because it's not invasive. You can easily connect it to your telescope without any major modification. And it's also the most affordable option, which is why it's often the best place to start. However, since the Sesto Senso 3 controls the existing focuser, it can't correct the mechanical issues such as backlash, limited load capacity, or mirror shift. So if your telescope has one of these problems, you may want to consider using the Esatto to replace your stock focuser. Esatto is our complete robotic focuser. It completely replaces your telescope's original focuser, combining mechanical precision, motorization, and control electronics in one compact, robust unit. It's available in different sizes, from Esatto 2 inches to Esatto 4 inches, and now also in low-profile versions, like Esatto 2 inches LP and Esatto 3.5 inches LP. These are ideal when every millimeter of back focus matters, for example when using reducers or flatteners. If you have a refractor or a Newtonian, Esatto becomes your new focuser, providing smooth movement and supporting even heavy imaging setups. If you have a Schmidt-Cassegrains or similar telescope, you can install Esatto behind the telescope and use it for fine focusing, while the original focuser is used only for coarse adjustment. And if your telescope includes a mirror lock, you can lock the primary mirror completely and eliminate the mirror shift. So, which one should you choose? Choose Sesto Senso 3 if your telescope with external focuser already has a precise, stable focuser and you just want to motorize it. Choose Sesto Senso 3 SC if you have a Schmidt-Cassegrains type telescope and want an easy, non-invasive focusing solution. Choose Esatto if your current focuser isn't precise enough, can't support EV cameras, or if you want to upgrade to a fully robotic focuser with maximum load capacity. And if you like to learn more about each model, check the links in the description below. For more content that will help you to explore the universe like a pro, subscribe to our channel and clear skies!